I have a friend right now who's working from home, and every so often she has to host a meeting and be on a webinar. And it's on those days that she takes the time and the effort to put her makeup on. Why? Why, I said, why do you feel that only when you're on camera do you feel that you need to look your best? Is it because it takes so long to put your makeup on and it takes you 15, 20, half an hour to put your makeup on? So why do you want to go through that regime and that ritual when all you are is just working from home, nobody sees you, you're not going out, you're not seeing friends and family, going to restaurants, and so why bother? Well, you bother because you're doing it for yourself. So today what I want to do is just show you a quick and easy way to minimize the amount of makeup that you put on, but still feel good about yourself. Because, hey, at the end of the day, you have to look at yourself in the mirror and you should feel proud and happy at that person looking back at you. Hi, and welcome back to Your Travel with Olivia. My name is Olivia, and I thank you so much for being here again with me today. So let's get right into it. First thing we want to do is cleanse our face and make sure that we're getting rid of any of the oil and dirt that's there. And the next thing you want to do is put on your concealer. Now the concealer, to me, is the foundation of your foundation because it helps to get rid of all of those problem areas that you just don't like looking at, even at the best of times when you're looking in the mirror. So whatever that happens to be for you, that's where you want to target. For me, it's dark eyes, dark circles under my eyes, all of these little spots that I've accumulated. I guess we want to call them age spots, sun spots, but I've started to collect these and I really don't like them at all. So find a concealer that matches your skin tone as best as possible. Now, I had the luxury of having one of the best makeup artists.
I'm being taught how to put on makeup by the top in the industry of makeup artistry, Kevin Wade.
Wait, I'm not me yet. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, hey. There he is, in the flesh, in the glamour.
You see it. Yeah. Based in Los Angeles with my daughter that lives there, so I had the luxury of having Kevin take me on a shopping spree and find the foundation that suited my complexion. And at Sephora, they take the time to find the one that matches your complexion exactly. I like it so much that I feel that I almost don't even need to do anything else. Once I've covered that up, I'm good to go. So I use concealer on a regular basis. And again, like I said, minimizing because I don't like to spend a whole lot of time doing my makeup. Even at the best of times, I didn't need a pandemic in order for me to take up this practice of minimizing my makeup. The next thing you want to do is your foundation. You want to find a foundation, again, that's as close to your complexion as possible. Remember, we're not trying to make ourselves something that we're not. We're just trying to give ourselves that youthful glow and bring back that natural look that we want to emulate from when we were young. So at this point with the foundation, I'm using this opportunity to blend the concealer that I have and take away any of those harsh lines that I might have created from just putting it around my eyes. So what you want to do is put some color back into your face, give you more of that healthy glow. So today I'm going to go for the pink glow. So again, just along your cheekbones here, there's a line here, and again on the other side. Follow the line of your cheekbones. Some of you are so lucky. You actually have high cheekbones that are so visible. I envy you because it's so nice to, you practically don't have to draw them in at all because they're just there. For those of us who don't have, we do have to draw it in. So then we just want to blend that in because we don't want any of those harsh lines, right? And again, there you go with your nice little pink glow. Oh, I forgot. I actually do like just adding to my nose and up here and down here, just to give it just a really light touch, just so that there's some kind of uniformity. And again, just to give you some glow. Something that says you were outside, even though you haven't been out there for the last 2 weeks. Next, I have these little itty bitty eyes, so I do need eyeliner to draw my eyes in to give it some definition. And already you can see a difference. One looks open, the other one still looks closed. Next thing you want to do is just put on your mascara and a little here. A way to open my eyes and make it look like I'm awake for the day. The next thing I do is I get a lipstick that is got staying power so that it can get me through the day. And I apply that on top. And last is the lip gloss. And lip gloss is probably the only thing that I will refresh throughout the day. Last thing I like to do is add a facial spray. This one is cucumber and green tea. It just feels really nice. It also helps to set your makeup. And it also has a refreshing feeling, so. The smell of cucumber too is nice. And that's it. That is my makeup for the day, minimized at the very least, and it can be done in under 5 minutes. And that's it. That is the makeup and done for today. For all of you makeup artists out there who are probably squirming in your seats right now thinking, oh my gosh, that girl and how she just did her makeup is just unbelievable. And in the sense of, I've missed so many steps, I know, I didn't do this, I know, but we are trying to minimalize it. We are trying to just bring out whatever our best features are, and also just so that when we look in the mirror, we feel good about ourselves and we like who we see looking back at us. I want to leave you with this saying, you are never too old to look your youngest. Thank you so much for joining me here today. It is always my pleasure to be here with you. If this is your first time visiting us though, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button that's down below. Until we meet again in the next video, adios. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye-bye.
Hey, keep my mouth shut.